This is the new Ford Ranger, and it's what happens when Ford's engineers and designers team up with customers from around the world to create a pickup truck. In fact, Ford conducted over 5,000 interviews and dozens of customer workshops to help them understand what should be included with the new Ranger. Along with its bold, rugged looks, Ford have introduced an updated interior design, which now features their latest infotainment system, among other gadgets. What's more, the new Ranger will be available with the brand's 3-litre V6 diesel engine, but we'll expand on that later. Before we continue, if you'd like to register your interest in the new Ford Ranger, you can do so by contacting your nearest Halshaw Ford Transit Centre. A link is in the description below. This new generation of Ranger is 50mm wider than the outgoing model, meaning it can accommodate more cargo, including building materials and a full-size pallet. Plus, there's ample space for a couple of bicycles, which can be secured using the cargo tie-down points. During the development stage, Ford's engineers noticed that existing customers were using the rear tyre to climb into the bed, so to make life easier, they've integrated a side step. Elsewhere, the tailgate has been designed to double up as a mobile workbench, while the clamp pockets help when measuring and cutting materials. Should you find yourself having to work in low light, then you can make use of the 360-degree zone lighting, which can be controlled using the infotainment system or through the Ford Pass smartphone app. Sitting at the heart of the new Ranger's cabin is the Sync 4 infotainment system, which is accessed using the central touchscreen. Depending on the specification you go for, it'll either be a 10.1 or 12-inch touchscreen. The intuitive system allows you to easily navigate the new Ranger's entertainment and vehicle settings. If you're on the move, or prefer hands-free, then you can change settings using voice commands. The screen is also linked to the 360-degree camera. It's been designed to give a clear view of your surroundings, making it easier to navigate tighter spaces, or for when you're off-roading. The next generation Ranger will be available with a variety of diesel engines, all of which are tailored to different requirements. Sitting at the top of the range will be a proven 3-litre V6 turbocharged diesel, which has been engineered to provide a huge amount of torque for extreme off-roading and towing heavy loads. Making up the rest of the range are a handful of 2-litre diesel units, 2 of which utilise a single turbo, with the other recruiting 2 turbochargers. The single turbo engines are ideal for fleets and those wanting to keep fuel consumption down, whereas the bi-turbo option has been designed to provide more flexibility. You'll have the choice of 2 4-wheel drive systems. The first is an electronic shift-on-the-fly system, which is ideal if you aren't regularly taking on tricky terrains. The second option is a full-time 4-wheel drive system that is better catered for extreme off-roading. It comes with a set and forget mode, so you can focus on driving. Ford have moved the front wheels forward by 50mm. Now, that may not sound like much, but it allows for a better approach angle, meaning you can tackle steeper inclines. Should you get stuck whilst off-roading, you'll be glad to know there are dual recovery hooks situated within the front bumper for easier recovery. By listening to what their existing customers wanted from the new Ranger, Ford have managed to further tailor their pickup truck to those who use them every day. The refreshed appearance and high-tech interior will no doubt appeal, but it's the attention to detail that really distinguishes the new Ranger from rivals. To register your interest in the new Ranger, please contact your nearest Halshaw Ford Transit Centre by following the link below. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this on Halshaw TV.